Hey there! Welcome to this quick tutorial on configuring salary components in uKnowva HRMS. Whether you're setting up basic pay, allowances, deductions, or other perks, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's dive in! First, let's talk about the salary components section. This is where you'll manage elements like basic pay, allowances, deductions, and more. The system comes with default components that are widely used, but you can also add new ones or edit existing ones to match your payroll policies. If you're happy with the system's predefined components, simply use the Use Default Components option. This retains all the default settings, saving you time and effort. Now, if you want to add a new salary component, head over to the Add Salary Components section. Here, you can create components like housing allowances or special bonuses. Let's break it down. Start by entering the title of the salary component. For example, you could name it Basic Pay, House Rent Allowance, or Travel Allowance. Next, provide a short code. This is an abbreviation for quick identification. For instance, BP for Basic Pay or HRA for House Rent Allowance. Then choose the type of the salary component. Is it an earning like allowances or bonuses, or a deduction like Provident Fund or professional tax? This helps classify the component correctly. Now, specify the category. Is it fixed, meaning the amount stays the same every month, or variable, which can change based on performance or other factors? Use the status toggle to activate or deactivate the component. Set it to Yes to make it active or No to deactivate it. Finally, add a description to provide context. For example, you could note that basic pay forms the foundation of an employee's salary package. Once you've filled out all the fields, click Save to confirm your entries. Or, if you change your mind, click Cancel to abort the action. To view or manage default salary components, go to the View Default option. Here, you'll see a table titled Configure Salary Heads with all the predefined components. In the Action column, you'll find options to view, edit, or delete components. Click the eye icon to view details, the pen icon to edit, or the bin icon to delete. When you click Edit, a detailed form opens where you can modify title, shortcode type, category, status, and description. To delete a component, click the bin icon. A confirmation window will pop up. Click OK to confirm or cancel to abort. Want to delete entries in bulk? Then click the checkboxes next to each component you wish to delete and click the bin icon at the top of the page. Need to add multiple components at once? Use the Import CSV file option. First, download the CSV template file from the pop-up titled Import Salary Heads. Fill it out with details like title, shortcode, type, and category. Once your file is ready, click Choose Your File or Browse. Select your CSV file from your system and click Upload CSV File. The system will validate the data and add the components automatically. Need to export data? Click the Export button to download all components. Now use the search bar to quickly find specific components. Click Reset to clear filters and view all entries again. And that's it! You're now ready to configure salary components like a pro in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.